Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bhargavi. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you will not miss any of my new poses. I post new videos on every Sundays. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this yellow cut crease. If you guys are ready, let's straight jump into the tutorial. Off camera, I already done with my eyebrows. To start off, I'm going to take my Milani Conceal Perfect Concealer in shade Warm Beige. The code number is 145 as my eyeshadow base. This is my current favorite concealer. I love the consistency and the coverage it gives me. I just use the applicator to apply the concealer all over my eyelid, and I'm using my fingertip to blend the concealer. Guys, if you're going to use fingertips to blend the concealer, make sure you wash your hand before you blend the concealer. Or else you can also use damp beauty blender. It's all depending on your convenience. Personally, I prefer to use my fingertips to blend the concealer. Once done with the blending, I quickly set the concealer with L'Oreal Mercian Translucent Setting Powder before it starts to crease. Just use a little amount of powder to set the concealer, not too much because I still need the sticky base to apply the eyeshadow which is coming up next. Using my MAC 288 brush, I'm going to carve out my crease. This is a purplish shade from Rose in the Air palette from Wet n Wild. I realize I have not done any eye makeup with yellow eyeshadow, so this week I thought to do something colorful for you guys. So please continue watching this video until the end. Next, I'm taking a pencil brush to blend this line. I'm taking Sepahora pencil brush to just blend it. I just do the hash line. I'm moving back forward and then a small circular motion strokes to blend the line. Using the same pencil brush, I'm going to take a pink shade called Sankaria from Milani Eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to blend the shade above the first shade we had applied and make it slowly melt into my skin to get the seamless shade. Again, I'm doing the same process, moving back forward and small circular stroke to blend the shade. Next, I'm taking a little amount of black eyeshadow and define the crease line. The black eyeshadow which I'm using today from Sephora called Black Lace. Next, I'm going to take the same concealer which we use as our eyeshadow base with a fine liner brush from Sephora to give us a guide before we cut the crease. Once I'm done with the guideline, next I'm going to clean up the lid space. Today I'm using a Q-tip and Maybelline makeup remover to clean up the lid space. You can skip this step if there is no fallout, but I have fallout on my lid space, so I just want to make sure there is a clean space to work before I apply the concealer to cut the crease. Once done, clean up the lid space. I'm going to take the same concealer to cut the crease. Now I'm using MAC 212 brush. I just drag the concealer downwards from the guide point, then paint my lid. While the concealer is still tacky, I'm quickly going to apply the yellow eyeshadow. This one is from MAC called Memories in Space in code A59. To intensify the look, I'm going back to the first shade which we used and press it on my natural crease line. Next step is totally optional, guys. I just thought of giving a twist to this eye makeup, so I'm going to apply some gold shimmer on top of the yellow eyeshadow. I'm taking Gold Glitch from Mercury RetroGrade Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and just apply at the center of my eyelid. Before moving to the next step, which is applying eyeliner, I'm putting a sticky tape at the edge of my eyes so that I will get a sharp wing eyeliner. Today, I'm using Silky Girl Perfect Matte Eyeliner to do the job. I will leave the product details, whichever I have used for this eye makeup tutorial, in the description bar. Once done with the eyeliner, I'm quickly going to finish my base makeup before we continue with the rest of the eye makeup. I have done with my base makeup. Before we completing the eye makeup, I'm going to apply some translucent powder under my eyes so that any fallout can easily dust it off without ruining the base makeup. Again, I'm using a pencil brush to apply the first shade followed by the second one. Just follow the same sequence which we used earlier. And I'm going to continue to blend until I'm happy with the outcome. Next, I'm going to press the same black eyeshadow under my lower lashes. First, I'm pressing it at my outer V of my lower lashes and slowly dragging the color to the center part. And I just want to ensure there is a connectivity with the wing eyeliner. I just fill up the gaps with the black eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking L'Oreal Paris Infallible Black Gel Crayon to tighten up both upper and lower waterline. This is a waterproof eyeliner and stay throughout the day. I even use this for my daily office makeup. I simply love this product. Off camera, I already curled my lashes and now I'm going to apply a coat of mascara. The one I'm using today is from Sephora called Outrageous. To complete this eye makeup, I'm going to highlight my brow bones. I'm using Maybelline Master Crew Metallic Highlighter to highlight my brow bones. This is the complete eye makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this week tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, share my video and leave your comment. I will see you guys with a brand new tutorial next week. I love you all. Bye bye.